Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CJ affiliate account and generate deep links step by step clearly. To install a CJ affiliate account, begin by navigating to the CJ affiliate website. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Submit your registration form by clicking on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from CJ Affiliate. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Log into your new CJ Affiliate account using your email and password. Once logged in, complete your profile by providing additional information about your business. Next, navigate to the Advertisers tab to browse available affiliate programs. Use filters to find advertisers that align with your niche or interests. Apply to the programs that best suit your audience by clicking on the Apply Now button. Wait for approval from the advertisers to gain access to their offers. Once approved, return to your dashboard and navigate to the Links tab. Click on Deep Links to start generating specific product links. Select the advertiser whose products you want to promote. Use the search bar to find specific products from that advertiser. Once you find a product, click on the Get Links button next to it. Choose the type of link you want, such as a text link or image link. Customize your link if needed, then click on Copy Link to capture it. You can now use this deep link in your marketing efforts. Return to your content platform to integrate the deep link into your posts or advertisements. Ensure to track your performance through the CJ Affiliate dashboard. Review your sales and commissions periodically to optimize your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.